I figured where you were going with that. So, all right, we need to get this adjusted. I like this shirt.
You smell good.
That was on the recording. That's going to be the first thing somebody heard. You smell good. Okay, this is second period. I believe we left off here. Does this look right?
Yes.
It is observed when silver metal is placed in aqueous thallium 1 fluoride, which is TLF, no reaction occurs. When the switch is closed in the cell, represented above, the voltage reading is plus 0.114 volts. Plus 0.114 volts. Then it says write the reduction half reaction that occurs in the cell, the overall reaction that occurs in the cell, identify the anode, calculate the value, all that good stuff. Go for it.
What's the page number that has the...
A26 in the back of the book. Page A26 in the back of the book. Warm those brains back up. Unless... A26 in the back of the book.
Oh, wait, no, A26. How do you do this? Okay, I think I remember how to do this.
You might be the only one, but I haven't finished.
Alright, let me walk you real quick.
Yeah, we're live. We're going.
There's some, that's thallium. I like 10,000.
Tellurium?
Thallium.
Thallium?
Tellurium is T.
Yeah, but where's the... Oh, I know such thing as...
Thallium?
I know such thing.
I see.
The AG value. It don't exist.
Well, you don't need a value for thallium.
For real?
No.
Why?
Why is there?
Why does it have a little vertical check up by the volt?
Because that's a switch.
That's the switch.
I don't remember.
Oh, I'm aggravating right now.
All right, let's just, so thallium. I would go, it's fine, it's Monday. Let's just warm this up. I would go down to D first. All right? Because it says calculate the value of the standard reduction potential for the TL plus. What else do I know about this? With switch closed, cell represented above, plus 1.14 volts. So I have AG, which is 0.80 volts. Agreed? AG plus 1 electron yields AG. On the left bottom column is 0.80 volts. Yes?
Why are we using
Yes.
not fluorine?
Because fluorine is from the Salt Bridge. Has nothing to do with the metal.
Stop.
Oh, it does, yeah.
We need to use the metal. We need to use the metal. So, the reduction half reaction is AG plus 1 electron yields AG, and that is 0.80 volts.
Oh.
Agreed?
And that's the reduction because it gained.
Well, here's the thing. They told me when I closed the circuit, my voltmeter is 1.14 volts. Agreed?
Oh, so it's...
So, is there any way that thallium can be greater than 0.80 volts?
How do we know it's 0.80 volts?
From the book.
Wait, what? The book?
AG plus electron yields AG is 0.80 volts.
Oh,
So, is there any way that thallium can be greater than 0.80? No, because the total is 1.14, right? Therefore, yeah. Therefore, we know that silver is our what? Yeah. It's our red, fat cat.
It has a higher reduction.
Yes. You got it. So, if I'm going to write the equation for the overall reaction that occurs in the cell, I'm going to do it up here. I'm going to have AG plus 1 electron yields AG. And then thallium is going to have to do what with an electron? Give it away. So that's going to give me TL plus 1 electron. Because I have Tl plus. Yes?
Yeah.
Are my electrons balanced?
Why isn't there a plus on the AG?
No, there should be. There should be. So for the overall reaction, I'm going to end up with Ag plus TL yields TL plus Ag.
Oh, can you move it up?
I can't. Which way?
Yeah, right.
This way? Okay. Does it make sense how I identified that silver was going to be the more positive one? I took the 1.14 minus that, and that gave me 0.34. Yes? Therefore, that is definitely smaller than silver. Okay. And then the thallium, I don't think that equation is even here, right? But we know that this is what it would be because it's the one that's giving away the electron, so it has to give away one electron. Did you guys, anybody see that the National Weather Service has officially said this is the earliest spring ever on record for our area?
Oh, this summer about itself.
This is spring.
Yeah, I'm not mad.
If you look at the trees, like they are all budding. All my daffodils are,
It's also starting
Blooming.
something dark that's early.
well, that's has nothing to do with like the wet. That's just daylight savings. But like the temperature of the ground,
Thought I was in a long week. In a long winter.
the ground temperature, I think is how they do it. Like morel hunters, if you hunt morel mushrooms, they're finding them like crazy right now.
Y'all want slide.
Megan, all right.
I'm sorry. It was.
Identify the anode of the cell. Thallium. There's a couple things you could do. All right. Thallium, because lower voltage, it's also less reactive. It's also less reactive if you would look at the reactivity series, but it's a lower voltage as well.
Is it thallium?
Is it
What is chat?
transition metal?
It's number 81.
Oh, it's 81. Oh.
Yes,
I was thinking of the other one.
Transition metal.
technically yes. Calculate the value of the standard reduction potential for TL
What is the first word for after the dash?
because lower voltage / less reactive. We know that E cell equals E cat minus E an. So 1.14 equals 0.80 volts minus X. So if I solve for X, X has to equal what? E cat minus E n. So what is my X going to equal?
Like, it has to be negative. Right?
Yeah. Negative 0.34 volts. Negative 0.34 volts.
I just realized that thallium and like thorium are different.
They are.
About thorium.
No, thallium.
Is that E cat minus E and?
E cat minus E n. You got it. Why does silver metal not react when placed in aqueous thallium 1 fluoride? Why does silver not do anything if it would be silver?
Because it's a bubble.
It's less reactive. Do you guys remember looking at the reactivity series last year with the single displacement reactions and like that was like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's just less reactive. Okay,
Those are the good old days.
flip it.
Oh, bro. So many.
They just keep going. This is practically how in physics.
Check, who is Metal X, bro?
All right, this one's on your own.
Who thinks he's Ben 10?
This one's on your own. Now you're warmed up.
It's something.
Alright,
David
Chad.
John Cena.
早晨好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢吃冰淇淋。
Emily, you look so.
Alright, Chad, how do you do this? Because I gotta lock in the fridge. I'm just. Oh, you don't know that, bro.
Don't look for me out while they're
I feel like people in general today are just weird. My first period was weird too. So,
I think that
Well, my coffee is wearing off, bro. I can't
You
do
just
that.
had it last period.
Yeah, but I used all my energy last year because I was being gathered.
all right,
Yeah, I know.
crank this one out.
Bro, I can't crank it. Okay, here we go. I cannot crank that one out right now.
If we got positive 0.67 volts and that one's negative, that means that difference is.
I would suggest reading these sentences.
Oh.
So far, these notes have started out with "you smell good," and have also some Chinese speak. So,
Megan,
Okay, so as it increases, what does that mean?
Okay, here we go.
Switch is closed means it's like technically on, right?
Yes.
Okay, so then 10 is the.
Wait, if the mass increases, does it make it redox or?
You can do this. I'm not going to tell you.
Yeah, if mass increases, it redoxes, right?
Oh god, you have fun.
Bro, if I don't know the answer, I'm gonna start doxing someone.
Mass increase.
It makes it a cathode?
Yes.
What's a cathode? I only heard of no cathode.
Work.
I'm gonna start cathoding.
Oh my god.
Because it says when the switch is closed, the mass of it. Increase it.
You silly ass.
You silly girl.
Mr. Heller, I think you might be right
What?
about people being weird.
I'm telling you.
I'm gonna start eating brains.
Ah.
Identify metal X? No. Oh, wait.
I don't think I will actually, but thank you.
Identify what?
It would be,
Wait, no,
so it's getting mass.
no, it's left to right. Cathode gives up electrons.
Yeah, so it's right.
It's left to right.
What?
Left to right. Cathode gives up electrons. I'm not going insane.
Yeah.
Jesus God.
Yeah,
You okay?
because the anode loses mass.
Yes.
Guys, I'm starting to think that the sun is rising later because of daylight savings time.
Okay.
If the standard potential is +0.60 volts, what is the standard reduction potential in volts per? So negative 7.76, right?
Hold on.
Because 0.76 plus minus 0.14 is gotta equal 0.60 volts.
It is the dive rocket launcher. Take
Where
action
did you get
immediately regarding this individual.
Yeah.
Bro, I think my pencil jammed.
So it's probably FE.
Oh, great, I'm
Question
not.
mark?
Okay, what was I doing?
Each cell. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. That's just a formula. I'm just stupid.
I think I'm gonna read on okay. I look
I don't have the full things where it's
So I had to clean the
Aubrey, I was at a
Okay, that's
Aubrey.
today.
I literally went to a record store
So,
and I saw
and
so many records that reminded me of music that I think like, well, maybe it was, yeah.
That's good.
Is the metal, FE, Mr. Hubbard?
That's what I.
Okay, yes. It's chromium, right?
Actually, how do you know?
Whoa, whoa. We said freaking. Whoa, calm it down.
Is 10 in the table? Is 10 in the table, like in the book? S
Say
N.
good.
Is 10, yes, 10 is in the table, sweet, it's negative.
It's negative what? It also says that right here.
Are you dressed kind of, I'm dressed what?
I'm not even
can't
dressed.
figure this out.
Should I track outfit?
I also have a belt on, which I never do.
I'm not dressed either.
Are you guys done?
No, I'm not into this.
Which electrode is the cathode?
It's negative 0.7.
That's it.
Why?
It's a gains mass.
Because it's a fat cat.
Oh, that's why it's a. Okay.
No, it's because it's it's a big cat. The fat cat is really from anode to cathode, but it's also, it gains mass. That's the big cat. It says, the mass of the tin electrode increases. So that tells you that that is the cathode. When the switch is closed, are the electrons traveling left to right or right to left?
Cathode anode.
Oh, left to right.
Left to right.
Wait, yeah.
Guys, where's the tin?
From anode to cathode, bro.
From anode to cathode. They're definitely flowing from right to left.
I'm stupid. Oh my god.
You gotta look at the picture. Thank you.
From anode to cathode.
That's the fat cat.
That's real, Mr. Hunter.
Right to left. What?
He said, gotta look at the picture. Thank you.
Who said that? I said thank you? Oh. See, this is my subconscious being a little sassy. All right. If the standard cell potential is 0.60 volts, so I'm going to write that here. 0.60 volts. What is the standard reduction potential in volts for the X plus 3 X electrode? I know that E cell equals E cat minus E an. Yes. So 0.60 volts equals negative 0.14 minus X. Because remember, when you do it in this version, you don't have to worry about flipping anything. You just leave it as is. So what does X equal? No. X equals negative 0.74 volts.
Maggie made the same mistake as I did. R.I.P.
Identify metal X. How do you know?
Because it's in the half.
Because if you look over here in the half reactions, at negative 0.73, right? That is chromium.
Wait, there's also 0.76, but that's farther away.
Yeah. It's essentially, yeah, it's definitely chromium. Write a balanced net ionic equation for the overall thing happening. So down here, I'm going to do my Sn plus 2, am I on the screen? Plus 2 electrons yields Sn. And then I have to flip the other one, agreed? So I'm going to have Cr yields Cr plus 3 plus 3e minus. This first one, well, we don't even need to do the charges, we already have that. So I need to go times 3, times 3, times 3, times 2, times 2, times 2. So my net ionic equation is 3Sn plus 2 plus 2Cr yields 3Sn plus 2Cr plus 3. So this is my net ionic equation. Which metal is decreasing in mass? That's going to be what?
Is that 3Z? It's 3SN?
3Sn, chromium. Chromium is decreasing in mass. Okay. Number 4.
Oh no. Oh wait, okay.
That's giving me heart attacks.
Is X the same as last time?
Oh,
Never mind.
how is it still, it's still going, it's still going.
Identify them and then
Oh shoot, okay.
It's away.
electrons from and two cathodes. So
Oh, one of them is zinc and one of them is nickel, we just don't know which one's which.
where'd you find out
Let me
that
click.
information from? Oh, I see.
If you look at the top down, there's a balanced
I
equation.
see.
She read.
That might help you.
I see.
Thank you.
Plus.
When it says identify them in the diagram, you have to even figure out which metal is which.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I think zinc is on the left.
Oh, you have to look at the reaction potential, are you?
For real?
Yes.
But if you just look at the thing, it says that zinc is.
It doesn't. It doesn't. It just says M and X.
You're selling me right now.
What if he just opened the door? Oh my gosh.
Can I pick it up?
Bro thinks it's Goat Simulator.
Okay. This is the cutest thing ever.
No way, it's LeBron James, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, my bad.
This proves that if this is LeBron James, then he really is the GOAT. See what I just did there?
You should-
That
you
was
should-
a joke.
Look at Pookie over here.
Okay, I'm gonna study next now.
Aww.
It made me feel like I was hurting it.
What's the GOAT's name?
It does, well, okay. My
Well,
son
these are
calls
the
it
weirdest notes ever.
We're actually going to see if the student body is going to
I
make
want
it.
to kiss it so hard on the head.
Where do I go?
Don't kiss
Can this be like our OSA but a goat?
Yeah, for sure, like a therapy goat.
Yeah. Yeah, a therapy goat.
Look at the tiny head.
I'll kiss it.
It's really
She's a
soft.
week old tomorrow.
Wow.
Mini gets.
Yeah, she'll only be here a couple days and then she'll be gone. When I say gone,
This is
at
some
home.
prime Wayne
Yeah.
County activity.
Does anyone else want to play?
Can we bring in Italy Chopper next? Joey.
You might want to
Get that booty.
Can we invite Chief Keef to the function?
If my younger daughter loves goats. If she was here right now, she would just,
Yeah. My 11-year-old feeds her, but he can't obviously while he's at school. But all weekend, he gets up in the middle of the night and everything.
Bottle.
Just have a bottle. So.
Wow.
Yeah, put them on cam.
Yeah, make sure. Yep, there we go. Now he has made the notes. I told you this is Weird Monday, guys. Anything can happen.
No,
Does anyone else want to hold it?
This actually has to be like some kind of skit.
Jolly said.
Goats in.
Oh,
Well, we just got
He
Michael
is so
doing-
soft.
the way that I climbed over that table.
Megan, you can't take the
Did you
goat.
get your goat in for the day?
My goat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was fixing your
I'm good.
Okay.
It's like contorted. Its leg is up at its.
He's practicing for goat yoga. Thank you so much for stopping. That definitely made our day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pookie's missing.
That was a nice break in our electrochemistry, so we appreciate that. Yes.
Work.
Oh, yeah.
That was very cute. Very cute.
What's up the Ellie chopper?
I don't know. I just
Oh, you just
thought of-
randomly fixed my ponytail up.
It smells like.
Bro, stop sniffing stuff, bro.
What is that?
It smells like a Jolly Rancher.
The chem lab is open too if you want to wash your hands over here. We just had a goat in our room.
Yeah?
Yeah. Why is this soap not coming out?
You're buying an entire wall of wax. Look that way.
Out of paper towel.
Turn it on Saturday. Yeah.
Jack, they want to FaceTime.
All right, that was awesome.
I was just saying. Jack, take your words.
I hope so. What other sound would that have been? He went to the chem lab to wash his hands. These notes are going to be the most miscombobulated notes of all time. Yeah, we're still recording. And we got that
Whenever it was doing that.
over there.
Yeah.
Oh, that was very special.
Okay. Guys, Nicola's Bay.
Well, I go. What? Yeah, all about this stuff. So how do you do this?
Oh, I flipped them. Whoopsie.
I thought my get your water out of my paper. Yeah. Nickel is negative 0.23 and zinc is negative 0.76.
I forgot we looked at that.
Yeah, there'd be no other way to know.
How do you do this? No, that's not good.
If it says identify, all you have to do is write down which metal it is. Okay, no explanation necessary.
No.
What's not necessary?
No explanation.
Well, I'm about to fail this test.
Well, the test isn't until after spring break, so you have plenty of time.
Oh, I guess I know what I'm doing during spring break then.
The anode is being reduced, so that would be Na plus 2 electrons yields N.
Now we're gonna have 5 extra minutes at the end of 5th period. It's fine. Because I won't run them ahead of you guys. And we had a 5-minute goat break, so. You did get him on the video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Guys, I
He looks right at the
Is Zeke
camera.
on the right?
Oh, wait.
Because zinc is the cathode.
No, but in the
Oh, wait, no. Yeah, no, 2 cathode. Yeah, zinc's on the right.
I can do it, bro. I'll do it. I'm the chem goat.
No, the chem goat was just in here. And the chem goat has left.
That's like saying Curry,
Yes.
Kobe Bryant.
Value of the electromotive force is that E cell.
Yes.
Okay.
What? Concentration.
So I have Zn plus 2, which is negative 0.76, right?
Aubrey, shut up.
And I have, wow.
Wow, today's
No, he's been saying it's normal.
a feisty day.
Guys, what was your cathode?
Zinc.
What?
Why?
Nickel?
No, it's
I thought it was
It's nickel. Nickel's more positive. Guys, zinc is negative 0.76. Nickel is negative 0.23. That is definitely more positive.
flipped all of it.
Nickel is more positive. So over here, I'm going to have Zn yields Zn plus 2 electrons because it's giving it up. Nickel, Ni plus 2 electrons gives me my solid nickel.
And M2 cathode, right? Okay,
So M is what?
I'm in zinc.
It's zinc. Plus 2 is Zn plus 2. Has to be, it's in the same cell. It's in the same cell. B, I specify the initial concentration for M plus 2 in the solution. That contains 2 standard half cells. Therefore, the initial concentration has to be what? Standard half cells. What are standard conditions? 1.0 molar. 1.0 molar. Identify which of the metal electrodes is the cathode. Nickel. Thank you. Nickel. Write the balanced half fraction taking place.
Wait, it's already there though.
At the anode. I already did it. So
It's Dn plus 2.
just make sure you know which one is which, right?
It's Dn. Yes.
What is the electromotive force in volts for this reaction? I know that E cell equals E cat minus E an, which is equal to negative 0.23 minus negative 0.76 volts. What?
Wait, what is the more?
The more positive one
Is the, I thought the more positive one for this.
is the cathode.
But it, reduction.
Yeah, the more positive one. Negative 0.23 is more positive than negative 0.76.
Yes.
That is closer to 0.
And yes, and why would that make it?
The cathode. E cat minus En.
Yeah. I could have sworn the less, like, more positive reduction potential made it more likely to be reduced.
Correct. Which is why it's the cathode. You're agreeing with me.
Yes, I agree.
You're agreeing with me.
I agree.
Okay. Negative 0.23 plus 0.76 is what?
0.99.
No.
Wait, no.
It's
Oh, no, it's minus.
Chad, that's not
Oh,
equal.
Chad.
0.53.
0.53 volts.
That wasn't even close.
Which metal's gaining in mass?
I just sold the bag.
Gaining in mass? Nickel.
Nickel. All right. Now are your brains warmed up?
No,
I feel more confused now.
it was when Meg wasn't here. When was it?
All right.
No, it was true. Joe went out cooking and then Meg.
Number 5.
Bro, I was good. Do you remember that on Friday? Or is the ACT? I was locked into hard. Yeah, we were.
Deal.
Figure it out in a second, though.
Number 5.
Okay, so we just gotta get the values for this.
So don't just work on this kind of quietly. Don't say stuff out loud. Try to work with your just partner or by yourself so people can try to get this on their own.
Oh, we're on both. Okay.
If nothing is mentioned, we assume that the molarities are what?
1.
Okay, good. I have
If it's negative, is it the cat?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm looking. Okay, hold up. Alright. Waiting for my mistake.
Oh, I'm.
It's gonna stem.
Good so far.
Yes.
It asks the initial polarities, we filled it.
One.
When it just, we filled it in the box, so it's just the same thing there.
Just one. Wait, 2ag plus zn yields. Wait, do I need a 2 here?
Or if you get Z. Oh.
I don't need a 2 here, right? I didn't multiply this. Oh, I don't need it. Nothing there. It would be 2ag plus zn yields zn plus 2 plus 2ag, right?
Yeah. 8 plus 7 is 17, right? 8 plus 7 is in fact
It's
17.
1.56. Did you say 8.7? No.
Bro, my pencil jam.
I'm too tired to figure it out right now. Mine, 1.56.
Bro, hard to figure. Bro, I have so much time. Why am I talking? So it's 0.8 plus.
Here we go.
So,
What is that? 1.
so yeah,
Oh, thank gosh.
I think we got it now. Silver was 0.80 when I looked up silver plus 1 in the book. Zinc plus 2 was negative 0.76, more positive. So the cathode is silver, so Ag plus 1 electron is Ag. What's the anode? Zinc. At the anode, I flip it. Zn yields Zn plus 2 electrons. What's the overall net ionic equation? I multiply these by 2 to get my 2 electrons to balance out. So it's 2Ag plus zinc yields Zn plus 2 2Ag. Initial molarities are 1. E cells E cap minus En, 1.56 volts. So we have now done the E cell multiple ways, either flipping it, right, and doing it, adding up. However you like it better is fine with me.
Oh, number 6 is terrible.
Number 6 is terrifying.
Yes.
Why?
Because it's written in the fonts that makes it like.
I don't know why this is terrifying. Let's just do the top line. Let's just do A. Let's just figure out the least to the most reactive metal. This is just practical thinking. So we have metal Q, metal X,
And lead.
and lead. So on the basis of the reactions indicated above, arrange the 3 metals Pb, Q, and X in order from least to most reactive. We'll just do here and we'll call it. for the day.
So it's like Q probably gonna be the least because there's like no reaction. Wait, that makes no
That
sense.
doesn't-
Sorry, I'm just gonna stop.
So think about it for a second.
PB is getting electrons ripped off in the third observation.
And then the first one is
So-
also having electrons ripped off.
It also isn't the first one.
So it's losing electrons. It's losing electrons.
Wait, so PB is the strongest.
So it just means it doesn't have a high electron.
So that means
I'm
I
asking
think
you.
The most reactive is PB.
Why?
Because it's like ripping off all the electrons from the other guys.
It's not
No.
ripping, it's
PB is
ripped off.
giving away electrons. It's losing electrons. What do metals want to do?
Loses electrons.
Lose electrons. I agree that PB is the most reactive metal.
So right.
So now we just have to figure out which is the least reactive.
I think it's
Okay, Q and X having no reaction.
because X wants to gain electrons in the second observation, but Q has a higher electron affinity. That's why there's no reaction.
You're right. It should be Q, X, and then PB. So Q is less than X, which is less than PB.
I don't get it.
Explain the Q and X.
Well, the Q here,
Yes.
right? It wants to give away 2 electrons to X,
Yes.
but it can't.
Not.
It's not reactive enough, right? But we know that X is able to accept on exactly.
From PB.
Yes. So because Q can't give it away, Q is the least. That will be the conclusion of this. We will finish the actual guided notes packet tomorrow, hopefully, and be done.